Greetings, family, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. TM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process, green cards based on asylum, and citizenship based on asylum are answered. Family, I have spent over 12 years navigating the immigration system here in the United States. First, I spent several years battling my asylum case to be approved. Then, I spent several years more to get a green card based on approved asylum. And finally, I spent several years more fighting to obtain United States citizenship based on an approved asylum. I want you to know that I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may face in your asylum journey here in the United States immigration system. The questions you have now are the same questions I used to have on my asylum journey. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand asylum immigration process experience to provide you with insights and guidance to help you. Family, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's face it, not all outcomes of an asylum application are positive. Sometimes, after going through the process, your asylum application is denied. In such circumstances, an immigration judge can issue a deportation order. What should you do when you have been issued with a deportation order? The majority of people decide to ignore deportation orders. Remember, there are more than 13 million undocumented people in America. Most of these people have deportation orders against them. Before I discuss the consequences of defying deportation orders, let's review some of the legal options you can take once you have been issued with a deportation order. If an immigration judge issues a deportation order to an asylum seeker, the individual typically has several options to consider. Contact an immigration attorney. Seek the assistance of an experienced immigration attorney immediately. They can guide your specific situation, options available, and potential legal avenues to explore. Review and understand the deportation order. Understand the details of the deportation order, including the reasons for issuance and any specific conditions or deadlines mentioned. Knowing the specifics is essential for developing a strategy, appeal or motion to reopen. In some cases, you may have the option to appeal the deportation order or file a motion to reopen the case. Your attorney can advise you on whether these options apply to your situation. Seek a stay of deportation. Your attorney may explore options for obtaining a stay of deportation, which temporarily halts the execution of the deportation order. This can provide additional time to address legal issues. Explore relief options. Depending on your circumstances, there may be forms of relief available, such as cancellation of removal or adjustment of status. Your attorney can assess which options may be applicable to your case. Coordinate with the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. Stay in contact with ICE and comply with any reporting requirements. Failure to comply can worsen your situation. Consider voluntary departure. In some cases, agreeing to voluntary departure may be a more favorable option than facing forced removal. It allows you to leave the country on your terms and may have fewer negative consequences for future immigration. This is one of the best of options. Leaving the country means that you can return to your home country or another safe country, where you can restart the process to move back to the US in a legal way. Monitor and comply with deadlines. Be aware of any deadlines mentioned in the deportation order or subsequent communications. Missing deadlines can have serious consequences. Document your case. Gather and organize any relevant documents that support your case, such as evidence of strong ties to the community, lack of criminal history, or humanitarian factors. This documentation can be crucial in presenting a compelling case. It's crucial to act promptly and comply with all applicable deadlines. Immigration laws and procedures can be complex, and the specific options available may depend on the individual's unique circumstances and the details of their case. Seeking professional legal advice is key to making informed decisions in such situations. One of the questions I get asked is, what happens if you defy a deportation order, or if you just ignore it? Ignoring a deportation order can have serious consequences. Here are some potential outcomes. Warrant for arrest. Ignoring a deportation order may lead to the issuance of a warrant for your arrest. This can result in detention by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. Detention. If you are apprehended by ICE, you may be placed in detention while awaiting removal proceedings. Detention can last until a decision is made on your case or until you are physically deported. Forced removal. Ignoring a deportation order may ultimately result in forced removal from the United States. This can involve being escorted to your home country by immigration authorities. Bar from re-entry. Failure to comply with a deportation order may result in a bar from re-entering the United States for a specified period. This can make it difficult to return legally in the future. Legal consequences. Ignoring a deportation order may have legal consequences, including potential criminal charges for immigration-related offenses, ineligibility for relief. Failing to address a deportation order promptly can limit your eligibility for certain forms of relief or appeal options. It may close avenues that could have been available with timely action. Continued legal challenges. If you have valid legal grounds to challenge the deportation order, ignoring it may waive your right to pursue those challenges in the future. It's crucial to take any deportation order seriously and consult with an immigration attorney promptly. An experienced attorney can assess your case, explore legal options, and guide you on the best course of action. Ignoring the order is generally not a recommended strategy, as it can lead to more severe consequences and limit your ability to address the situation effectively. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope the insights shared in this video have enhanced your understanding of the asylum process. Do you have questions about the asylum process? Do you have questions about green cards based on approved asylum? Do you have questions about the citizenship application process based on approved asylum? Or have you recently received asylum and you have advice to share? I encourage you to email me or share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more answers to your questions about the asylum process. Thank you for watching, family.